Alright there YouTube, I'm back. What you're looking at now is the kilowatt meter. The generator's been running about 7 minutes. As you can see, it's putting out 120.6 volts. I'm going to run it up to the hertz cycle and you can see what it's doing. And I have a 12 gauge cord. I'm going to plug in to my little $100 Hobo camper. I'm going to turn on the air conditioner and the refrigerator, which this is primarily meant to run. I'm sure it's going to do that with no problem. The air conditioner runs at about 580 watts full on, and the refrigerator only uses about 60. So I'm going to do the hertz load and voltage. All practice good. 5.98 hertz, good. Roll down to 0. Walk to 0. Now I have my refrigerator down as low as it can go, but I think it's still going to come on, so we'll just see what happens. The AC shut off. Plug the camera in. Again, it's going to a 12 gauge cord by 24 feet long. Go in now and turn on the air conditioner. See what happens. So far it's still idle. Here comes the fan. Here comes the compressor. Okay, now the AC kicked in apparently. The AC just came down to 88 degrees from 101, so it's starting to chill down. 513 watts is pulling right now. Seems to be just a little bit above idle. I've read a lot of reviews on this, and one guy had a generator shop and claims that can pull 1900 watts all day. It's rated for 2200, so I don't know. And that's plenty. I've had 3 Harbor Freight generators. I've got a 7500 watt now that I've had for 5 years, works perfect. But it's huge. It burns a lot of fuel and it's wide open all the time. I think this would actually run your house a light, small air conditioner, and it would keep your refrigerator going without eating you out of house and home on the gasoline side. I'll let it run for a couple more minutes. That little surge, my refrigerator was not plugged in. I just put a new refrigerator in here. The thermo-cooler unit that it had. It said right on the owner's manual not to use above 80 degrees, and then it just burned out. So I put a 2.6 cubic foot Magic Chef energy efficient refrigerator. So there's the refrigerator and the AC running 596 watts. My refrigerator has cooled down to, the air conditioner has cooled down to 68 degrees coming out of it from 101. The refrigerator's gone from 100 down to, I think it was 87 in a couple of minutes. That's not bad. That's probably the most it's going to get used for. My home refrigerator only draws, when it's running, like 200 watts. That's all it uses. I'm going to take this off the tripod now, show you what I've done, show you exactly what this is running, get the zoom out. So right now what this is powering is there we go, it's powering my brand new refrigerator I just put in. That's the back side of it. And I think that's a 6500 or 7000 BTU air conditioner, which is this unit right here. It takes a while for these things to cool down. And she's down to 60 degrees finally, up in the 50s. So it's dropping. That's the new refrigerator I put in. It's a 2.6 cubic foot energy efficient refrigerator. And I had a 1.6 thermo-cooler refrigerator, which was, like I said, it died. Yeah, this refrigerator's down to, it's fluctuating 69, 70 degrees. And that hasn't even been on 5 minutes. Cut the cabinet out and put that in. But anyway, the generator seems to be doing really good. So I'm going to let this generator run for a few hours. It seems to be almost back down to idle again. And throughout the next few days, I'm going to really be torturing this thing. I'm going to use it for everything that I would normally use in a grid down situation here at the house. So I'm going to get the big house refrigerator going, and the lights, and the TV, and I'm even going to kick the well pump on. It should do the well pump no problem. My 1500 watt Go Power inverter will run the well, so that should do it. Alright YouTube, thanks for watching. There'll be an update to this video maybe this weekend sometime. Thanks for watching.